In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of copy.ai to enhance the content for your small business using a delightful bakery as our case study. Picture this. You own a charming little spot called Sweet Cravings, and you're eager to draw in more customers with enticing blog posts and social media content. Well, that's exactly what we're going to focus on today. Let's dive in with the first step, which is to open copy.ai. Start by visiting their website, copy.ai. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to create a free account. It's a straightforward process where you provide a few details. If you're already a user, simply log in to access your dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Chat. Think of this feature as having a helpful assistant right at your fingertips, one that specializes in generating content at the click of a button. It's designed to simplify your workload by allowing you to engage in a conversation with an AI assistant. With the chat feature open, the next move is crucial, giving copy.ai a clear and precise prompt. Let's use Sweet Cravings as an example. Suppose you want a blog post that highlights the nutritional benefits of freshly baked bread. Your prompt might look something like this. Write a 600-word blog post for Sweet Cravings Bakery about why fresh baked bread is healthier than packaged bread. Make it friendly, informative, and end with a call to visit the bakery in New York City. Once you've crafted and entered your prompt, you'll be presented with a draft courtesy of copy.ai. Take a moment to carefully review the content generated by the AI. You might see something like, "At Sweet Cravings Bakery, we believe bread should be more than just food. It should be an experience." If you feel the draft needs tweaking, don't hesitate to make adjustments, whether it's shortening it for brevity or expanding certain sections to add rich detail. The editor feature allows you to refine everything according to your preferences. Now let's talk about simplifying your content creation for repetitive tasks like generating social media posts. This is where the workflow feature comes into play. On your dashboard, click Create New, and then select Workflow. Here, you'll set up a form block with fields such as business name, set as Sweet Cravings Bakery, product as chocolate croissant, tone as friendly, and audience as young professionals. Following that, include a generate block using a specific prompt. Write 3 Instagram captions for Hosh business name to promote Passage product. The tone and audience are pulled directly from your form fields. Once set, run the workflow and you'll have fresh, tailored social media content in an instant. And there you have it. These steps will empower you to leverage copy.ai for creating persuasive and engaging content for your business.